Where am I? Is this a trading hub? And I only got one squishy. Oh man. Guess I'm gonna trade. And whoa, this is a trading board. I guess I'm gonna trade for this. Trading Doritos, chips, squishy, homemade. And 1, 2. Me. I want this Doritos squishy. I'm gonna trade you all of my squishies for that. I've been looking for it, even it's not rare. I guess. Except. Okay. Okay, this is Doritos. Yay, I got food squishies, and I was also planning to make a squishy food restaurant. I guess I'm just gonna trade the biscuit or the butter or the watermelon, but just the biscuit. Trading breadstick biscuits in 1, 2. Oh, me. I'm gonna trade you my strawberry squishy and my cat. Please, accept. I'll accept, but first I'm gonna add something. I'm gonna add a watermelon since you were so nice. Okay. 1, 2. Wait. What did I actually add? Yeah. Wait. I think this is mine. And wait, no. This is mine and that's yours. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Yes, now I have more food squishies. I got an egg, a strawberry, watermelon, and a butter squishy. Now I need more food. Trading my egg. In 1, 2. Me. I'm gonna trade you my like Vaseline squishy. I don't want this Vaseline squishy. I want that fries over there. The fries. Please give me the fries. Okay. Here you go. Now accept. Okay. Now get your thing. Yay! Let's trade more, and I'm gonna trade the fries. Trading fries. In 1, 2. Me. I want that fries, so I'm gonna trade you all of my squishies. The chocolate, the Oreo, and the chicken. So accept. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, actually this is yours. And this is my Oreo. Yes. But I need to trade more, so I'm gonna trade a chocolate. Trading chocolate and 1, 2. Oh, me. I'm gonna trade my tea squishy. I don't even like it. My chips, my banana, my egg, my fries, my Doritos, my cookie, and there's actually a hole in it, but it's okay. And my last item that I don't have anymore is my chopstick. And that's all of my squishies I have, so please accept. Oh my god, so many squishies. Yes, please. My egg. And there you go, get it. Yay, now I have these. Now let's make a stand. Oh, I found a perfect place. Yeah. Ow. Put my chips. Let's just get it all. Put my butter squishy. This is like my favorite. My egg. My watermelon. My cookie. My cheese. My Doritos. My fries. My Oreo. My banana. And lastly, my chicken. Now let's wait for some customers. I'm just waiting. Oh my god, that's so many. But at least I can get some squishies. Wait, is this a food restaurant? Let me get in. Oh my god, so many options. Oh, hi. Would you like to buy in my food restaurant? Yeah, sure. Can I buy this cheese squishy and chips and the watermelon? Yes, you can, of course. That will be 2 squishies, please. Oh, so you're gonna pay with 2 squishies. Okay. Here you go. Here's an apple and a chocolate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much also for the stuff. Oh my god. Oops.